that, guys. Look at that. I had to do something on my phone, so it took me longer, so I missed a lot of it. You guys see? They're having like a game over there at the school. So I hear the national anthem being played. Look at that. See, that's the rest of the sky like this. And that weird squiggle over there, I don't know what that is. That's super weird. It's just like hanging in the middle of the sky. Look at that orange and red and pink. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Look at that. It's changing colors so quickly, and also my phone, when I'm zooming in and when I'm zooming out, the different colors are really showing how vibrant